So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Dr. Horticulture's shortcomings, what needs to be implemented into the app. So the image processing algorithm that we're using analyzes the plant's red, green, and blue pixels and scans it and checks within the thresholds of whether if it's within good threshold, the fertilizer recommendation for that image will show up as it's healthy. You don't need to add any more fertilizer, and if it's within the bad threshold, it would show up with a recommendation saying add fertilizer to this plant. The problem is that when we scan this image, we are not actually taking into account the image's brightness or its saturation. So if you take a picture with the flash on, or if you're in an area that's too bright, that could possibly raise the image's pixel values to be within a good enough threshold that your plant's not going to need any fertilizer when it actually needs fertilizer. And on the other hand, if you're taking a picture in a place where it is too dark to properly see the image and get a proper green pixel count, that could end up being lowered enough to a bad threshold, and the recommendation would say that this plant needs fertilizer when the plant could actually be perfectly healthy. In the next implementation of Dr. Horticulture, we would like to see that the image's brightness and their saturation is taken into account when using the app so that when the image shows only the plant, it's not taking into all this unnecessary extra brightness or lack of brightness because and skewing the results of the actual green pixel count.